Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel for a video I haven't done in quite some time. Let's do a FabFitFun box unboxing. So FabFitFun is a subscription box that is, quite frankly, it is over advertised on social media. They have a lot of ambassadors and influencers and whatever who they pay for reviews, quite frankly. And I am not one of them, but I really, truly enjoy this subscription box. So as infuriating as it is to see it advertised all the time, it's kind of like Built Bars, am I right? Where it's like everybody's an ambassador, including myself. So it's everywhere whenever there's a new launch or something. I feel the same way about FabFitFun, but I love the product, so it doesn't really matter that they're oversaturated in terms of seeing reviews. But I know that a lot of you guys actually really enjoy seeing what I chose to put in this box. So for your information, I am an annual subscriber, which means I pay one larger lump sum that gets me, I think, $5 off each box by paying $180 a year instead of $50 a box. And I'm rounding up, it's like $49.99 or something like that. But I pay for the annual subscription and I love it. It is my favorite subscription box of all time. And because of the annual subscription, there are some items in there that I get to choose and customize that some people do not. So I have not opened this at all. All I did was cut the little plastic right before I sat down and hit record, and you and I are gonna go through this box together because I have no idea what I put in here. So this is obviously their spring 2020 box, and let's get the ball rolling. The first thing we have is their little magazine, and quite frankly, I don't pay a whole lot of attention to the magazine. Maybe that's an awful thing, but I just don't. However, I'm going to, I am remembering some of the options that were in here. This is a very exciting thing. Very exciting thing. I'm trying to find the pages that will tell me what all of this stuff is and how much money it's worth, because let's be honest, that's kind of what's important. Am I right? This is what I see. I can't actually see what's in it yet, but we've got the little advertisements, the partners. We have $45 to Bright Cellars Wine. We have Bite, B-Y-T-E. You look good, but you're about to look better. Hashtag bite me. It appears to be at home whitening. Oh, it's teeth alignment, like Invisalign. And HelloFresh, which I'm pretty sure I can't use because I've already subscribed to them. So now we're gonna get into the goods. The goods. And now this is what I see. Let's dive in item by item. First up, we have Chic and Tonic silicone straws. This is a set of 4 silicone straws. Oh, these are bright and fun colors. Look at these. Okay. So you get 4 silicone straws in these very bright and summery colors, along with a brush to clean them with, which is super important. And there's something else in here too. What the heck? What is this? Oh, is this like you're supposed to fold it up and take it with you? So you can crack. Well, now we have to see if we can do that. Let's see. Let's see here. So here's my silicone straw. Here's my little, this is gonna be real fun. Can I just, how, I don't have enough hands for this. Can I do this? Is this how you do it? It's like you crinkle it up into a million little pieces and you stick it in here? Well, that worked. Look at that. Ta-da! Now it's in here. So then the question is, does that hurt the integrity of the straw? Well, it's a little bit wonky, but I don't think so. Huh. Well, that's kind of cool. Chic and Tonic silicone straws. This set includes 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, and a carrying case so you can sip your drinks on the go. The value is $15. FabFitFun's pick. So everything is color-coded on the side. The green is FabFitFun's pick, which means I did not, in fact, choose that item. They chose it for me. So truth be told, I already have silicone straws. However, I kind of like the idea of having the little carrying case so I can carry them around and not have to use plastic straws, say if I go to Starbucks or something. And the silicone straws I do have are smoothie sized, and these holes are regular sized. So, all right, I'm not upset that I have that. Next, we have this very summery looking package. This is Prairie Watermelon Energizing 2-Minute Polishing Peel. Gently resurfaces skin, smoothing, and boosts radiance. Okay, free of parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, and synthetic color. Cool. The Ritual, smooth over cleansed wet face. Let sit for 2 minutes, rinse with water, and pat dry. Great for everyday use. I don't know that I would go that far, but that's very exciting. And I did see that. That was also a FabFitFun pick. and it is a value of $35. Wow. Infused with extracts of watermelon and lychee and glycolic acid, this polish will give your skin a burst of freshness. Now, you know what I really have to know? I have to know if this smells like watermelon. The packaging is super, super cute. It does smell like watermelon. I am not disappointed in that scent. Some people don't love scents on their products. The fact that this watermelon titled product has a watermelon scent is fantastic. So this is a value of $35 and the straw is a value of $15, which means with the first two products, technically I have already reached the $50 that you pay for the box. Next up, we have the Glow Wrinkle Treatment by Revive Light Therapy. This was another thing where I'm like, I was not very excited about any of the other items. So I'm like, you know, I've got some wrinkle problems that I need to deal with, so let's try it. Why not? Really, it's gonna make me put the whole thing together. So this is what it looks like. I'm just taking it all out. This video is a total crap show, you guys. Total crap show. Batteries were included. That's kind of nice. It tells you what direction the batteries need to go in. So what this is, it is supposed to be red light therapy that is good for the wrinkles on your face. I don't know if that's legit, but we're gonna find out. Come on, there we go. Ready? Ready? Woo! That's bright. I don't know what to do with it now. Do you just like hold it here? This looks super fun on the camera. I have to read the instructions. Oh, this is where I have to focus, right here. I got some mean old wrinkles coming in on my forehead because, you know, stress and 33. Oh, I like it. Makes me feel high tech. Now, I should probably figure out what exactly I'm supposed to do with this other than just, you know, make red light happen. So here's what we have. We have infrared light, invisible to the naked eye. IR light penetrates deeper than any other color on the spectrum. IR light combats the sign of aging by stimulating the natural production of collagen and elastin. Happy day. Red light reaches deep layers in the skin where it stimulates cellular repair and increases circulation to promote more vibrant and youthful complexion. Amber light brings vitality to dull, lifeless complexions. Amber light reduces the appearance of redness, swelling, and inflammation. This color light is beneficial for rosacea. Who knew? Operating instructions. Place over treatment area for 3 minutes and turn the device off. So this is cool, but you mean to tell me that I have to like sit here like this for 3 minutes and then I have to go over here for 3 minutes and then I have to go over here for 3 minutes and then maybe a little bit down here for 3 minutes? I have to sit here and apparently do this while I'm watching TV. So this light item ended up being an all members get to choose. So there are certain items that all members, regardless of if you are the quarterly subscriber or the annual subscriber, get to choose from. This is one of them. The value of this is $68. Good thing I got this in my box because I don't think I'd pay 68 bucks for this. Let's move right along. Next up is Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, a multitasking sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Well, that sounds lovely. When used nightly after bathing before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin while you sleep. A powerful anti-aging super blend of shea butter, Corambe, and Camellia Sativia oils. No idea if I just said that right. To nourish, support, and preserve skin vitality, and pure essential oils of lavender vetiver, although I'm pretty sure it's vetiver, and chamomile to help improve sleep quality. Okay, so truth be told, the combination of those essential oils smells amazing and is one that I actually use in my diffuser almost every night. So I am on board for that. Let's see how this, so it's lotion, guys. It's body lotion is what this is. That is meant to be put on before bed. Oh, the vetiver. I love the smell of vetiver. That smells wonderful in my opinion. It has a very unique scent. If you do not like vetiver, you will not like this because the vetiver permeates like whoa, like really whoa. But that's really nice. Oh, that's gonna work really nice. I do try to practice a lot of aromatherapy at nighttime, so this is gonna be really great. This is one of those things that falls under the category of FabFitFun chose it for me. So thank you, FabFitFun. It is $40. Do not pay $40 for that lotion, my friends. It's 3.3 ounces. You don't need to pay $40 for 3.3 ounces of this lotion. But I'm very thankful that I have such an expensive and fancy lotion because I ain't ever gonna buy this for myself. $40. Pro tip, go get those essential oils on edensgarden.com and add them to lotion you already have. The next thing is a repeat item because I chose it. I think it was a choice option. Let me look. Yes. So this was an option that only annual subscribers had the chance to choose between, and this is the Aveda Damage Ready Daily Hair Repair. I got this in a box maybe 2 boxes ago, and I loved it so much, and nothing else in the selections really interested me. So I was like, yeah, okay, I'll get this again because I actually use this every single time I blow dry my hair, and I really, really enjoy it. So like I said, when I have the chance to get something that I know I love, I get it in the box for the discounted value. This is a $31 product. Oh my gosh, these products are all so expensive standalone, which is why I love the box. I'll get into that at the end. But I'm really grateful to have another one of these because I seriously do use it every time I do my hair. Only 2 items left. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the first time in my life that I chose like a home thing instead of a beauty thing. Because like I said, the choices this month, I'm like, I was not all that psyched about. I'm not gonna lie. So I chose these packing cubes by Calpac. And look at how bright and sunny these are. My husband is gonna be like, where did we get these? Because they're super bright and not like anything we own. We own dark colors like dark purple and black. So this set came with one, I'm trying to move back, so we have a big one, a big one, and this beautiful color. They're all in this beautiful color. Then we have this medium-sized one, and then we have this littler-sized one. And that's fantastic because I'm going to go and use these pretty much immediately. This was an item that everybody who subscribed to the box, be it annual or quarterly, had the chance to choose. The set itself is 2A. So you had the choice between choosing a collagen infusion thing by Murad, this, which I just have so much skincare that unless it's something I really need, I'm not gonna get it anymore. A highlighting and contour palette, another skin serum, and a skin moisturizer, a whole bunch of skincare, an umbrella, or these packing cubes. And the packing cubes, which I guess I got in the shade Sorbet because the other option had fruit on it, and they are valued at $40 for my set of packing cubes. This last item I'm real excited about. I'm not gonna lie, it's probably the most exciting thing to me in the box. It is an item that only select, no, all members got the chance to choose. Anyway, this is an item that we all had the chance to choose. It's valued at $39.99. Why they don't just say $40, I'll never understand, but I'm real excited about it. And the reason I am excited about it is because it corresponds with something that I have used for 2 years already. This is a Gravity brand weighted sleep mask. Yes, weighted. I mean, I don't even know how heavy this thing is, but there's definitely some weight to this, and I really want to put it on my face. However, I've got makeup on, so I don't know if that's a good idea. Let's see. I don't really want to, there we go. There we go. So, I don't know. So doing it that way, most of the weight ended up on the bridge of my nose, which is fine because it's not mashing my eyeballs in. I'll have to get back to you on this, but it is a Gravity brand, which is the Gravity blanket that I have and I use every day and I love. So I decided that this was just a practical thing for me to add to my Sleepy Time collection, which will go really great with my super expensive but very delicious smelling Sleepy Time lotion. So apparently I'm just setting myself up for some really stellar night's sleep. Anyway, this thing weighs probably 1 to 2 pounds, somewhere in there, and you put it on and you sleep with it on your face. All right, now I'm gonna bust out my calculator and get you guys a grand total of the value of this box. So, $39.99. was the Gravity blanket thing. My packing cubes were $40. My Aveda hair product was $31. The silicone straws cost $15. The sleep lotion cost $40. The Prairie watermelon mask, $35. Is that everything? That might be everything. 1, 2, 3. Oh, the red light therapy. The red light therapy thing was $68. So the grand total value of my box was $268.99. So essentially $270. So given the fact that I got the annual subscription and paid $45 for the box, that is a stellar value for my money, which is why I love FabFitFun so stinking much, because I can find products that I love. I can discover products that I didn't know that I loved. That Prep and Prime spray that I got last time from Dry Bar, totally a new discovery for me that I wouldn't have known that I enjoyed if it wasn't for FabFitFun. Or I can use it as an opportunity to get products that I would not normally pay retail price for, but because they're in the box, I get these expensive things for a deeply, deeply discounted price, which is most of the glory of the FabFitFun box, my friends. So all in all, I would say I'm actually pretty pleased with this quarter's box, given the fact that I couldn't remember at all what I actually asked for in the box, but that's okay. It was a lot of fun to discover exactly what I had in the box. If you are interested in a FabFitFun box all of your own, I do have a referral link down there. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. Everybody who subscribes to the box gets the opportunity to give a referral link to a friend. So you guys are my friends. I'm giving you the referral link, and it will get you $10 off your first FabFitFun box, which means you can get a box of goodies like this for $39.99 instead of $49.99, which is a really stellar deal considering mine was worth almost $270. That's all I've got for today. I just figured I'd unbox this on camera and see what kind of surprises were inside my box. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already joined the Diva and the Divine community, we would love to have you. Just click that little red subscribe button down there and you are a part of our team. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. Take care. I'll see you next time. Bye!